Hello everyone, today we're going to be making a tissue paper collage landscape. You have the choice to make a nighttime landscape with a black piece of paper or a daytime landscape with a white piece of paper. I decided to make a nighttime picture for this one, but do the same for the day one. First, you're going to draw a line in the middle to create a horizon line. This is where the land meets the sky. Next, you'll need a paintbrush, some tissue paper, and a mixture of glue and water, which I have already made for you. You're going to paint on your piece of paper, then place the tissue paper on it, and then paint over it so it sticks to your paper. If you're doing a daytime picture, I want you to use red, orange, and yellow. And if you're using a nighttime collage, I want you to use purple, blues, and greens. I suggest you choose 2 colors for the sky and 1 for the land. Do that entire process until your entire paper is filled with glued tissue paper. Once you're done, put it on the drying rack for it to dry. Once it is dry, I want you to use a pair of scissors to cut a clean edge. I also made a daytime one off camera. Now it's time to make the opposite sky. If you did at nighttime, you're going to paint with light blue, and if you did nighttime, you're going to paint with the darker purple. I want you to fill your entire page with paint. The next step is to use a white oil pastel to draw the stars and clouds. Try to fill your entire paper. Once you have the stars and clouds done, I want you to flip it over to the back. Next, using a pencil, you're going to trace around the bird template. You can make one of these yourself. Once you're done, I want you to put the template aside. Using a pair of scissors, I want you to cut the bird out. And boom. The last step is to glue your bird onto your tissue paper collage. Boom, there you go. Now you're done. See you later.